Guys, this is my nature video. If you want more of nature, go to www.raulbricenio.com. That's right. And let's get started. Whoa. They're ants hard at work. They're ants hard at work. Oh, look at all this mess. Did you know acorns live in 1 hour ago? Acorns. Squirrel dropped them. Squirrel dropped acorns. Acorns. The squirrel. I would like to name the squirrel Sammy. Sammy collects acorns. Sammy collects acorns. Look! Look at this bug. Get away. It's a fly. There's ants. Hard at work. Oh, there's an ant. There are ants. They'll poke you. You can't put them on your fingers. And here's more information. Oh, look at those leaves. There's ants. They're trying to look for their mommies. We're gonna look for cocoons until they come out. I want to see him walk. Let's look for a cocoon. Let's look for him. Where does he have to come out? He has to come out somewhere. Somewhere? He came out of nowhere. Look at those ants. Look at them. There's ants hard at work. They're going up. They're going down. There are lots of ants. Hard at work. Look, they're going up. They're going to collect the foods. Watch. Where did they go? There they are. They're going up there. They have to collect millions and millions of food. They're going all the way up, all the way up, and all the way up. That ant is crawling down. Has to go down and go back to his home. It's going back up. They're worker ants. They're hard at work. Whoa! 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 They're worker ants. They're going up and collecting food. They're going up. Sure, they collect a lot of food. Where did the ant go? He's going way up there. He's going way up there. So, they have to collect all the food. They have to collect it. Uh-oh. There's a spider. Do spiders poke you? I want to call him Miss Spider. Miss Spider. Redneck Jr. Miss Spider's Sunny Patch Friends. Remember that cartoon? Miss Spider. Miss Spider. Is that the theme song? That's how it goes? How does the song go? Of the opening? How does the end credits go of Miss Spider's Sunny Patch Friends? Bye, ants. We better hurry. Looks like we reached the end. They're ants. That's a ton. That's a ton of ants. That's a ton. Who's down there? That's an ant in the sewer. Is that a sewer where ants go and collect food? Do not feed the ants. Don't throw anything in there. That's a ton of ants. That's a ton. False alarm, everyone. Ants do live here. Uh-oh, looks like we reached the end. Look at these ants. Let's look at them close. Look, that's a ton. It's back where we were. It's back where I started. Where did the ants go? Where did the ants go? Where did they go? They went all the way up there. Did they went home? They went home. Look at that. Those are ants. Are they ants? What's that? Green thing. Right there. Now let's go back to my spot. Whoa. Ants do live 1 mile ago. Look at those ants. Look at those flies. They're flies. Don't get my ears plugged. Shoo. Look at that chair. Is it sold? We can't sit down on that? Look at that. Those birds look hungry. They're up in a tree. Look at the sunlight. It's not gonna burn my phone. Yep. Nope. It's not gonna burn my phone. This is all my fault. Oh, the sun's not gonna burn my telephone. What's this purple thing? Oh, look at that dirt in here. And look at those. We don't need that. Look it. Whoa, 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 why? Squirrel Sammy threw a lot of acorns. Whoa! Whoa! I spot 1 acorn. I don't know if this acorn is being released from a squirrel. Do you guys think about that? Ants were climbing up here. Where were they climbing at? Where were they climbing? Where were they climbing? Right here. They're climbing right here. Where did they went? They went to collect the food. But I don't know where the ants go. Where did they go? They're gonna look for cocoons. Is that a cocoon? What? I can find a stick to dirt. Find a stick to dig. In. Here it is. Leaves? I don't need leaves. What am I doing? My stick broke. I can't dig with a broken stick. Of course. This dirt is too tough. I hear an airplane. Look at that airplane go. Where did it went? Oh, bye-bye. Bye, plane. Thank you for watching. Raul Briseño.